It's National Southern Food Day, so you know I had to do it. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best fried chicken you ever had. Look, at Kroger's, it's only $5 and you get all these chicken drumsticks. I'm going to show you my grandmother's recipe, exactly how she used to make her fried chicken. It'll blow your mind. Check it out. So the first thing my grandmother did when she would make her fried chicken, believe it or not, is you take that skin and you rip it right off of there and we get rid of it. Take your drumstick and throw it in. Next step, get your buttermilk. First, get a taste test. That's pretty good. Now we're going to marinate these overnight for 24 hours. Get them tossed around a little bit. Now I'm going to throw these in my fridge and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, so it's been 24 hours. Our chicken is marinated in the buttermilk. Now we're going to use self-rising flour. Not all-purpose, self-rising flour. A bunch of it. Now we got to spice it up. Right here we're going with our original Three Amigos. The original, spicy, and chipotle. Bunch of that. But we're not going to leave out our most recent Three Amigos, our crunchy, seasoning, and the primo. A bunch of that in there. If you'd like to try out all 6 of these for yourself, we'll go over to our website. Yum Yum, get you some. Put our lid on, and we'll give this a mix. I'm making a mess. Get your drumsticks out of the buttermilk. We're going to shake a bunch of that excess buttermilk off and lay right here into our shaker. And now we give it a shake. A couple times back and forth. And then shake it so you get that flour down to the bottom. And there you have our perfectly seasoned drumsticks. We're gonna set them to the side. Now we just simply repeat the process. Perfectly coated, just like that. Maybe we should give this chicken flavored buttermilk a try. I'm just kidding. All right, so time for our next step. You want a giant cast iron pan. And then Granny always used the Crisco. Now we're gonna heat this up to 350. All right, we're over 350. It's time to fry. Simply just lay in our leg. Go in after a couple minutes, give them a little flip. Once you get them nice and crispy on all sides, start to set them to the side. All right, that took us about 10 minutes. Now we take our chicken and go straight into our 350-degree oven. All right, my friends, it's time. I left them in there for 40 minutes. So I wanted to make sure they were done. I temp probed them and they were at like 165, some of them. So I left them in for 10 more minutes. Now, they've rested for about 10 minutes. Now look at that. On the underside, you can see how it's kind of a little bit greasy. That's exactly how I remember it. And look at that. That is the perfect fried chicken. It's time to get a bite. Let's go for it. Oh my goodness. I know that a lot of you are going to comment about me taking the chicken skin off, but that's how my grandmother made it. This is exactly how I remember this chicken tasting, except this might be a little bit better because we put the Danos in it. But you guys, give that a try. The marinating in buttermilk for 24 hours made this so tender. Look at it. Just juicy. Yum Yum, get you some. Hope y'all enjoy the video. We'll see you next time. Keep sprinkling.